starting with ADBV. This is Advanced Biomed, and boy, oh boy, look at the chart formation here. This looks pretty crispy. Support at 7, resistance at 9. Pretty clear just from looking at the intraday chart there. Now, I don't have any fresh news on this 13, or at least I don't see any. Stock's up by 67%, 1.73% of the float shorted, 1 day to cover, so its short interest is fairly negligible. Its float is under 1 million shares, at least according to my reading, so maybe that's why it's one of the huge targets here. On average, it trades 222,000 shares. It's done 9.5 million here today. 13, what do you think on this? How did it go?
Well, fine. I mean, it just took a quick in and out. I had to, move my my limit order down because it didn't look like I was going to get up to where I wanted. But it's fine. I made a little bit, and then I was done with it because I still had to look at some other ones. Anyway, so ADVB. There's no news, but I think that it still might be moving on the Form 8 that was released on Friday. This talks about the purchase of a company called Allison Tech. I think they were going to be buying it for 1.08 million. But that was the most recent news that I have. So if it's not going on that, then I don't know exactly what it's moving on. But that's the last piece of news that I had. Company looks like it's was going to face some resistance, or it's going to face some resistance around 815, which is about where the 200-day SMA is. So if we do get up there, that's where I would think we would get some resistance initially. If we manage to get past it, there's some more resistance up around 10. And I don't know if we're going to go a whole lot higher than 10. We probably could, but 10 is a pretty solid resistance area. So we'll see what happens if we get up there. Company didn't look like they had a whole lot of cash, enough to at least make this purchase. But after that, they're going to be cutting their cash position in half. So that's, and then I think they also just recently went through a 1-for-20 reverse split last month. 2 months ago in February. So there, maybe a capital raise coming. I would assume that there is. It's kind of, we've seen this story before. So I think just be careful with this one. I don't know that they're going to raise capital today. If they are going to raise it all, like I said, they have enough cash to buy that Allison Tech for 1.08 million. So that's about all I've got for ADVB.
Okay, pretty good. It's got a nice formation here, so I'm actually optimistic that we might be able to get a trade here today. So let's see. It looks like you already have. We'll see if we get another one. Really good breakdown there. ADVB.